you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be installing, as you guys can see from the thumbnail, we're going to be installing a reverse camera mirror. I think that's exactly what it is. It's a reverse camera mirror. Basically what it is instead of having your reverse camera on your doubled in, you will have it as your mirror, and it also doubles as a mirror also if you turn off the screen. So let me show you guys exactly what it is. I did open it up yesterday just to kind of get a good idea of how I'm going to wire it and everything. And it seems fairly easy, and it's a really well put kit. Might be a little bit complicated to install, but I think it'll be well worth it. I've done this before. It's just my camera broke and I never got around to doing it again. So now I want to do it right and do it with the mirror instead of doubled in this time. This is the casing that it comes in. If you guys want to order it and do it yourself, then that's going to be the model, I believe. And that's the brand. It's Van Top Discovery H610. So this is the 10-inch screen. They, I believe, have a 12-inch screen, but I thought that was going to be a little way too big. It's going to come with this foam in here, so you guys can put that off to the side. You guys can take this one off. And it is, so I'm going to show you guys what it comes with first. So it does come with the camera and what looks like enough wiring to do it clean. This is a 2K camera. I know there's a lot of shitty cameras out here. Supposedly this is a really good quality. I've seen reviews. It does look pretty clean night and day, so pretty excited about that. Then you have your cigarette lighter. I kind of want to hardwire it, but I don't know exactly how I would do it. I don't know. We're gonna have to find out about this. I might run this for a little bit and then try to switch it out. It does come with a trim popper, but we have a bunch already. But this is pretty cool that they add this. So these are the straps that go onto the back of the mirror. And the mirror straps onto basically your stock mirror. So you don't have to uninstall anything. You just mount it on top and then strap it from the back. And I believe these are the screws for the camera if you're gonna mount it to your like license plate or whatever, or trunk. It does come with a little rag and some instructions. The one thing about this kit is that, well, the only thing that I had to buy other than this for this kit was this mounting plate. So basically how I did it was super ghetto last time. I like screwed into my bumper and fucked up the bumper pads. So basically what this is you take off your bolts for your license plate. You bolt it up right here, and then this is where you would mount your camera, and your license plate would cover it, so it would look, oh shit, it would look relatively stock. The reason I got this was because, one, if you guys have really dark tint, like I'm not saying I have the darkest tint in the world, but at night it is really hard to see out the back. And when you're reversing or like going out, especially for the days that it was dark early, when I would take my truck out, I would struggle really bad to see out the back. And it was kind of sketchy. I mean, I would have people get off and like kind of tell me when to stop. So this camera does run daytime, and it also has a dash camera. So you guys can insert a chip and it will record. From my understanding, it will record everything. And then if, let's say, you guys, hopefully don't, but if you guys do get into an accident or have a fender bender or anything of that sort from the back or the front, not necessarily the side, but you know, back or front, you guys can tap on the screen and it'll save the video, and you could send it to yourself, so you guys could send it to your insurance and stuff. So it is a dash cam and it is a reverse camera mirror, and you could keep it on, and it's kind of like the OEM GMC and Chevy mirror where you guys could switch in, it'll turn to a camera, and switch in, it'll turn back to a regular mirror. So literally exactly like that. So this is the camera. This is the 10-inch camera. As you guys can see, it's pretty big. It's a really good size. And you guys can see it is actually like a mirror, has really good reflection. So this is how it's going to be held, and this is the dash camera right here. So you guys could adjust it off to the side or do what you got to do. So these are what it mounts to. So those straps will go like this around the mirror and hold it in place. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's gonna be fairly easy. That's it. That's literally it. So you guys are just gonna get those rubber mounts that I was showing you. Get it all the way around. And center it, obviously. So if you do use your OnStar, I mean, I guess it is pretty convenient, because you could still use your OnStar buttons right here. And it does cover the full mirror. So I kind of want to get a first look at it. So I'm just going to plug it in. It is pretty good quality considering that my windshield is tinted. If you guys don't know, my windshield is pretty freaking dark. So I figured that it wasn't going to be the best quality. And this is indoors, so it might be better outdoors. But that's pretty cool. So it gives you this option, and then you could wire it into your reverse light. So when you reverse the back light, the back camera turns on, or you could just have a back camera. Like I said, you could turn it off with the button right here. And it'll turn into a mirror. And the mirror is actually legit, exactly like a mirror would be. Sorry, it's pretty dark in here. But it is pretty much what a mirror would be. Now I'm running into the only issue is that it's plugged in the back. And it makes it there, but this is about as much as we have left. I don't know if it can go under the dash, up through the pillar, through the headliner, and down. I'm thinking worst case scenario, we could run it through the center console, behind the bezel, and then straight up and have one wire going up. I kind of don't want to do it that way, but that's going to be worst case scenario. I know I can maybe splice into this and hardwire it, and get it to turn on with the truck. I'm just not sure exactly how that would work. Okay, so I kind of got it. So I ran it through there, I ran it through here, and like the little fuse panel on the side. This is the wire right here. Ran it up the B pillar, and it has no slack. And we are cutting short. So we're gonna come short just because that still has to be there, and it doesn't reach the connection, which kind of sucks. So like I said, next plan is probably just gonna be running through the bezel, and then have that wire running. I really wanted to do it this way just so it's clean, but I guess it's probably not gonna be the wave. For right now, we're just gonna run it like that. So I ran it through the center console, and it goes up through here. I ran it through kind of like where the steering wheel is. Ran it through the side of my double din. And then the excess wiring, I just kind of zip tied it in like a little knot, and then I put it in here. For now, it should be good. Like I said, I want to clean it up. It looks really good though. It looks way better with the daylight out. It's super clear. Honestly, if it wasn't for the tint, it would look so much better. And keep in mind that that's inside the garage. It's just dark out here. And like I said, you could adjust it, which is pretty fucking cool. Let's get started on running the wire now for the reverse camera. There's one wire that runs off of it that you can connect to your reverse light, so it'll come on when you're in reverse. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna wire that up for sure, and try to figure out how I'm gonna run this now. So let's get started. Should have more than enough wire. We have all that plus a little bit of knot, and then it comes all the way through here. But obviously, I'm not gonna run it like long like that. I'm gonna run it probably on the frame. Actually, if you guys could see, this wire was to my old reverse camera that was on my double din that a shop broke. So I'm probably just gonna attach it to that, to be honest, and then try to figure out how I'm gonna run it into the truck. So it should be fairly easy. Time consuming, but it should be easy just because we've done it before. And I'm gonna try to figure out how to route it. Right, so I got it wired exactly how I wanted to. So I ran the wire through the headliner right here, my floppy ass headliner. Got the headliner done, and down the B pillar, through the fuse like panel, and out through the firewall. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the wire, so it's running through the firewall. Now it's running down, and now I just gotta run it all under the truck. figure out how I'm gonna do it right here. Hopefully, I remember to take it off before I take the bed off. And then all we have to do is run it through here. There might be a gap behind the license plate. I believe there is. Run it through there. And then attach that mount that I bought. Alright, real quick. I know I've been asking you guys all the time, but I really want you guys' opinion. It's important to me. I want to make sure that you guys like it. Would you guys cop one of these shirts? So right here it says miles per gallon. Because you feel me? I'm driving this shit only gets like 2 miles per gallon, it feels like. I'm always filling it up. And on the back, it has the actual logo, full logo, it says miles per gallon. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Would you guys cop one? Would you guys change something about it? Do you guys like the color? I also have a red and a white one. That I'm not gonna wear because it's really dirty in here. And what do you guys want to see done next to the truck? We got a couple boxes of parts right there. I got another box coming in today. 2 actual boxes. And then probably next week, we're gonna do another mod. So now we just gotta run it under the frame to the back, connect it, so then we'll wire it into the reverse light, and boom, bada bing, we're done. So I would record that, but you guys are probably not gonna be able to see anything. And I ain't gonna lie, that shit was close. This is literally all we had left. This little wire right here is all we had left. All right, so let me recap kind of how the wire is running. So we're running the wire from the firewall down with the brake lines along the frame. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if I can see. So it's this wire right here. So I ran it along this like harness. So I ran it along this harness. I went through the frame here, so I wouldn't go near the leaf springs because obviously that stuff moves. And then I went up over it along with the frame because the harness went up that way too. And then I'll show you guys down here. Okay, so I ran it along this harness. It goes over the shocks, goes across this like cross brace where the tire is, and then went over here over this cross brace that has all the controls for your like taillights and stuff like that. And then I just ran it through the license plate hole right here. Here's the camera. So basically what we have to do is transfer either this whole bracket, which I think is too big for this, onto here. I know it works because trust me, I did it before I started recording this. While I do this, make sure to go like and subscribe. Make sure to like this video. Try to get it to like 200 likes. I'm not sure what I average in likes, so try to get it to 200 likes. And let me know what kind of giveaway do you guys want to see. I also want to start doing small giveaways. Kind of work my way up. Maybe do some wheels, some like Strata ballers or something. Obviously with that we need merch because I'm not gonna just do tickets or anything like that. I want to do merch because I feel like merch would be more I guess you could say like supportive than just buying a ticket and you just get a ticket. That's exactly how it's gonna look. So your license plate will sit here and all you will see is the camera, not the bracket. So I'm pretty much gonna install it now. You can have both on, just the front, and you just swipe right to switch in between. I'm not sure. Fuck, I think I put the camera upside down, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah, you guys can see it's pretty good quality. It still has a little tint on top, so I'll probably take that off. Once I'm done mounting it, let me switch it over, or let me flip it around, and then show you guys the final product. You can see reverse. It does come up and it gives you the lines. Oh wait. It gives you the lines and tells you when to stop. I'm gonna clean everything up and then I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see it in the sunlight and not with the truck crooked because it is messing with the camera. So everything's done. Relatively clean. I really like how it came out. And then I'll show you guys the final product once I'm done cleaning everything up. I have the camera, front facing camera, rear facing camera, and I fixed my screen so now it plays videos in here. No, it doesn't play like YouTube and stuff. I really wish it did, but pretty sure there is a way. You get like Apple Play. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I hope you guys have a better understanding of how to do that. You guys are like me and like do it yourself, DIY. Now you guys kind of get the idea. Very good for people who have dark ass tint like me because I can't see in the night, and just a safety thing. Thanks for watching though. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to keep going on with the videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.